the shadow in the corner. I am an asthmatic old hag, eternally breaking the nuts, whose soup, alas, nourish the bundle of whitened bones. Oh, a pair of women, your neighbors, chattering their lives away. I can furnish you with reasons why this and that and other things happen. But, stranger, what would you have me say about the Odomina clan? Look around you. The mouth must not say everything. Sometimes the eye can see and the ear should hear. Oh, yonder house is larger than any in the town. Oh, that's the names of Brumanguma, Odabeka, Son. They multiply faster than fowls, and they acquire gold as if it were born in grain. But if in the making of one scholar, much is born, then you stranger not know. Just you listen to their own woman. We came from left, we came from right, we came from left, we came from right. That wind shall not pierce our eye, nor the rivers prevail over us. We are of the thunder, and we are running forward, forward, forward. Thus, it is only to be expected that they reserve the new addition to the house for the exclusive use of the one scholar. And not that they expect him to make his home there. No! He must certainly live and work in the city when he arrives from the white man's land. But they all expect him to come every now and then at the weekend and on festive occasions like Christmas. And he certainly must come home for blessings when the new yam has been harvested and the stools are sprinkled. The ghosts of the dead ancestors are invoked, and there is no discord, only harmony and a restoration of that which must be restored. But the day of planning is different from the day of battle. And when that one scholar came, oh, I cannot tell you what happened. It all happened on a university campus. Never mind where. The evening was cool as all evenings are. Darkness was approaching when I heard the voices of a man and a woman speaking.